Hi, my name is Stanley. I'm the owner and director of a tutoring company. So I switched from Google Sheets to TutorCruncher. For more reviews like this, click the link below. So these products are mainly for recording my students' hours and their information and their contact informations. And at the end of the day, they are used to calculate their monthly tutoring hours so I can do better accounting and payment. TutorCruncher is best for maintaining the tutor's information, the student's information, as well as the parent's information. It's also good for arranging classes, reminding tutors and student alike about the next class schedule, and then at the end of the month, it's good for calculating the hours that was used for tutors and students tutoring hours. So that would also contribute to calculating the money that I should be paying my tutors. So Google Sheet is good for calculating the amount of hours that was having the students have in a month, and it would have the capability of modifying it to the extent that I wanted it to work. So getting started with Google Sheet is simple at first because it's a very common product. It's based on kind of Excel, so calculation is okay. But in order to have Google Sheet meet my need, I have to do quite a bit of customization, looking for third-party apps that kind of add on to the functionality of Google Sheets. And at the end of the day, it's only good for calculating numbers. So a lot of the functions are not quite there for Google Sheets. And in terms of TutorCruncher, it's designed for tutoring company like myself. So it has everything from um, tutors and students information management, class arrangement, class time reminders, calculating of the hours, and calculation of the payments owing to the tutors, and also reminders for the students to pay more if their prepaid value or prepaid hour has been used up. So looking for this types of software is to mainly help reduce my time managing all these data informations, as well as automating the business operation. So when a student and tutor completed a class, I'm hoping that these software would be able to automatically record it on a record. So at the end of the day or at the end of the month, I can do a quick calculation, verification, and transfer that into a payment calculation.